This is Evan Johnson. He just got a six-figure, fully remote front-end developer role within just about 7 to 8 months whilst on this course. He did it whilst having no computer science background or technical programming background before this at all. And he did this fully from the course and the one-to-one coaching. Now, he's going to go through his epic journey and everything that it unlocks for him. So without further ado, let's go see how he did it.
All right, Evan, congratulations. So tell me a little bit about getting a job. What was the process like?
Yeah, so I finished everything in the front end course at about probably a little after month six of working with you guys and working with front end now. So right at that point is when I started applying for jobs. I would say that was back at the beginning of January, and we're in April now. So right at that point, 25 applications a week, just like you guys advised, sometimes a little bit more. And throughout the process, I'd say it took me probably a month and a half before I even got replies. So that's like 4 weeks of putting in apps and not hearing anything back. And then after a month and a half, I started to get some hits. And as you guys know, I started getting some calls for interviews. I'd say before I interviewed for this job, I only had one other interview, and that made it to the second round, and then I never heard back. So they moved on from that one. But getting this job, the one that I just landed, I'd say I heard back from them first about maybe a month and a half ago. Had one interview, had the second interview 2 weeks after, and then had a third interview that was 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours, which was just earlier this week. Then I had a fourth call with the team, and then at the end of the fourth call is when I got an offer letter.
Awesome. What was the offer that the company gave you, and how much is the salary?
So they offered me 95K a year, full benefits, 401K, 3 weeks of PTO to start, which is fantastic. So I'm really happy with that offer, especially since, the course really only guarantees 70. So to get 25K over that, I'm just like beyond grateful.
Yeah. Did you have previous experience before starting? If so, what was your background experience?
Yeah, so my experience is primarily in teaching and sales over the past, few years. It's only within recent years that I've made the transition into, front end development. I did do some data work. I got the Google Data Analytics certification, and I worked a little bit in SQL, a little bit with Python, a little bit with coding before I took Front End Now's course. So I wasn't coming in completely green, but HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, all these platforms I was just acquainted with working with front end now when I started with you guys back in August of last year. So experience in front end, I'm going to say no. And as you guys know, I do not have a computer science degree. I got this job just with the training that I've done with you guys. So I'm honestly surprised myself, but it worked.
All right. How many job offers or interviews did you get?
Yeah, so throughout this course, I did get a little small, like part-time job offer from a kids organization. That is very little time a week that I'm able to use my front-end skills to just make a little side cash. So I'm actually going to keep that little part-time job that I got while I was applying. But this role that I got this week, for 95K, that was actually the only offer that I've gotten during my times of applying as far as a full-time role. But because of the little part-time role I got, plus this one, I'm going to be able to stitch those two together to create hopefully a nice income for me and my family.
Awesome. And what are your next goals now that you have this job?
Yeah, so obviously I want to keep the job. I want to keep working in this field, work on my skills as a developer. I want to get better at what I do. I feel like this is only the beginning. The hardest part is getting the first job because you don't have experience. But I do believe that going forward, what's going to be important for me is keeping my skills sharp, not being content with just what my job is requiring me, but just continue to work on my skills as a programmer, a coder, developer, my thinking process, my decision making, understanding how systems work. I just want to keep working on all those skills just to make myself hopefully continue valuable to this company. But as the job market goes, you never know. You get laid off for whatever reason, you have to move jobs. So I just want to keep myself relevant.
All right. And how do you think your life will change now that you've gotten the job?
Yeah. So this is huge for me because as I expressed to you guys in the beginning, I've been working at Verizon, for the past year. And then before that, working at jobs that really did not pay what my family needed in order for me to take pressure off my wife and provide for the family fully, income wise. So this is going to change everything for me. My wife, with this income, could stop working tomorrow and we would be just fine. And that means everything to me. I'm really happy to take some pressure off her, take pressure off the family financially, and to have a job that does that means a lot for me. Coming from doing sales at Verizon, making probably, it's not even a stretch to say about half of what I'm going to be making now. So doubling my salary from applying myself to this course, following the advice you guys gave me, that's huge for me.
Would you recommend frontend now?
Yes, 100%. And I'm going to tell you what separates or what has been huge for me with front end now, as opposed to I took another course, like I mentioned with you guys, with Google Data Analytics, and that was fantastic. The course material was great, but the one-on-one attention you get here, the weekly calls, the time and attention that you, Juan, and Harry gave to me, that's what made the difference. A space for me to ask questions, a space for me to not feel like a question I ask is going to be dumb, however much help I need, having the Discord chat, all that makes a huge difference. So that tailored approach, I feel like, is what enabled me to get this job, and that one-on-one mentorship is why I would recommend front end now.